Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. So we're going to start today. We're going to do tenses. Okay, a little practice of tenses now. We are going to have now festival
Good
time
morning,
coming.
ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
Ma'am.
Dussehra and Diwali. All of you in a festive mood. 2 holidays you have already got. Hmm? What did you do in these 2 days? Tell me, how did you spend your holidays?
Ma'am, I did nothing.
That means you slept.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the best thing, no doubt, to
Ma'am,
do in holidays.
sleeping.
Ma'am,
I completely agree with you that the best thing to do in holidays is to sleep, no doubt. But these days, so you're getting a lot of time to sleep since you're not coming to school.
No, ma'am, we don't have time to
no,
sleep
No,
daily.
ma'am,
ma'am,
we
we
did.
don't have time.
Why? You wake up comfortably, your traveling time is saved. Otherwise, remember, had it been you were coming to school physically, then you were traveling on an average 30-35 minutes. Everybody was traveling, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Ma'am, I get up at 7:45.
You get up at 7:45 and then you sit for your class at 8 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Most of you are doing it. I agree with this. And when you get a break, that time you do your work, taking a bath or brushing your teeth. Most of the students are doing this. It is not only you. Many of them are doing this. So you're enjoying COVID basically, if I say, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, so much.
Ma'am, but ma'am, school classes and then coaching classes and work, project work, ma'am.
But think, na, if the school was open, then you will have to go to school. You would also have to go for coaching. So much of time involved in going and coming, going and coming. So that
Ma'am, but
extra
that
time,
was
Now only when coaching started.
yes, that extra time you can sleep now. COVID is giving you a lot of time to sleep, if you see. You're saving a lot of time. Had it been school, imagine in this winters, now winters are coming. It is so difficult to get up in the morning from the bed, and here too you can always take your quilt and study for an online class. So you are very at your comfort. Most of you sit early morning only. You get up, you take your milk or tea, and you sit for the class comfortably. Nothing to worry at all. So everybody is enjoying COVID. Huh? Nobody is afraid of COVID in India. If you see normally. Chaliye, we are going to start with tenses. This is the first exercise, children. Start doing this. Once they dash a sailor with his brother, he dashed a lot of money. One day he dashed to donate it to the poor. His brother, very greedy, and dashed keep all the money. So he dashed the money and dash away. You
Ma'am,
have to
please,
keep saying what.
ma'am,
Yes.
can you please tell the page number of that of this worksheet?
I don't know it is from your book or not, beta. Let me check.
No, it is from our book only, ma'am. It is there in book
Okay,
actually.
I'll check out if it is there from the book. I'll let you know because I keep preparing PDF from different books. But if it is from your book, I'll tell you.
Yes, ma'am,
Fortunately,
it
the
is.
police dash him and dash the sailor's money. Better start doing. Let me see from the book what page number is this. Hurry up, children. Do and raise your hands. Don't say done, done, done. Whoever finishes, raise your hands.
More for
ma'am all four or just one?
Beta, just the first one. Just the first one. Once you finish the first one, raise your hands. We'll discuss the answers.
Done, ma'am. Oh, sorry.
You are faster than a Superman also. Whoever finishes, raise your hands, Beta. Don't say done, done. Okay. Let me see how many hands raised now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people. Kanika has done Lakshay, Akshada, Chirag, Himanshu, and Manas. What about others? Only 6 students? No. I have not given a very difficult work, beta. This is not very difficult task. Hurry up, raise your hands. Abhinav Pandey, not yet finished, beta.
Ma'am, finished.
Doing. Okay, Bhumika. Bhumika, have you finished? Not yet. Okay. Kavyans. Maheen, Nikhil. What's wrong with these children?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, let's start. Once they dash a sailor with his brother. Tell the answer.
Lived.
Can I?
Lived. Ma'am,
Lived
can
a
I?
sailor.
Lives.
Good. We'll
Lived.
do it together. Lived a sailor. Very good. He dashed a
Was
lot
there
of
lived a sinner?
he dashed a lot of money.
Had a lot of money.
Had.
Had a lot
Had.
of money.
Lot
Had.
of money. One day he dashed to donate it to the poor.
Decided.
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 To donate.
Good.
Decided.
His brother dash very greedy.
Ma'am,
Was.
Was very good. His
Was.
brother was very greedy and dashed to keep all the money.
Wanted.
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 So he dashed the money.
Stole.
Ma'am, stole.
Stole.
Stole. Very good. The past
Stole.
tense of steal is stole, and we are doing the entire thing in past tense. And dash away.
Ran away.
Ran away.
Fortunately, the police dash him,
Caught.
Caught
Caught.
him.
caught
Caught.
him, and dashed the sailor's money.
Returned.
Returned.
So, what is the past tense of steal that you have used?
Stole.
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 And catch, the past tense of catch is
Caught.
Ma'am, caught.
very good. And be, beta, if you see this helping verb be is changed into is, was, or were. Always remember, be always changes to is, was, and were.
Caught.
Okay, so remember to do these. Now let's do the next one. A tragedy dash place yesterday when a matador dashed into a canal. The driver of the
Took place.
matador dashed to save, abhi nahi beta, to save an auto rickshaw and control on the vehicle. About 50 students traveling in it. The people from the nearby villages dashed 27 students. Now do this one and raise your hands. Be very careful. This time others also raise your hands.
Tries to save him. Tried.
Do the second one, only the second one. Let me see how many hands raised. Same 6 hands. What about others, Ray? Kavyansh, Maheen, Nikhil, Raghav. Hurry up.
Then 6 1 was and then 7 1 saved.
This time better? At least 10 participants have raised hand. What about Bhumika and Kavyansh? Are you not there in the meeting? Bhumika, good morning. Just for the namesake you have joined or you are present also? Bhumika and Kavyansh. Say good morning if you are there in the meeting.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Then why are you not responding?
Ma'am, there, ma'am, net problem.
Okay, I would have marked you absent for the entire week for all the classes only. If you would not have spoken just now. Better respond. Okay, children, let's start. A tragedy dash place yesterday.
Took place.
Took place.
Place.
Very good. When a matador dashed into a canal,
Fell.
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 Fell. Fell.
the driver of the matador dashed to save an auto rickshaw.
Tried.
Tried.
Right.
And dash control on the vehicle.
Lost.
Lost.
Very good. About 50 students dash traveling in it.
Were.
Was.
Traveling. The people from the nearby villages dash 27 students.
Saved.
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 Very good. So the past tense of fall is
And fell.
Fell.
try. Try. The past tense of try is
Tried.
Tried.
lose is
Lost.
lost. Very good. And save is saved. Now we are going to do a difficult one. The third and fourth are a little difficult one. Let's do the third one. An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 7.3 northern Japan on Tuesday at Japan Meteorological Agency. Tsunami warnings for the nation's northern Pacific coast. The epicenter of the earthquake, which dashed in Tokyo, off the coast of Fukushima, premature at depth of about 10 kilometers, the agency, there dash no immediate reports of damage or injury. Hurry up, complete 6 students have already done, others also finish.
इतनी आसान आसान दे रही हैं मैम 2 मिनट में कोई नहीं हमें में
Hurry up, children, hurry up, let me see.
Ma'am, my voice is clear to you?
Yes, beta, it is very clear.
Okay.
Let's see how many now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 students. Hurry up.
मैम डन
Okay, let's see now. How many? Good. Same, Bhumika and Chirag are only left. Beta, this is a little difficult one, so be very careful when you answer. Let's start. An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 7.3 dash northern Japan.
It's normal.
It's.
Hit. Very good. Excellent. It is not hitted. There is no word in English as hitted. Excellent. It is hit only. Too good. The Japan Meteorological Agency said dash tsunami warnings.
Issue.
Issued tsunami warnings for much of the nation's northern Pacific coast. The epicenter of the earthquake, which dashed in Tokyo.
Felt.
In Tokyo, very good. Dash off the coast of Fukushima.
Was.
Was.
Very good, very good. Premature at a depth of about 10 kilometers, the agency
Said.
Said.
Head.
Said.
very nice class. Excellent class. They dashed no immediate reports of damage.
There was.
Was. Was.
Huh? No, it is not
There
was.
was no immediate.
No, it is not was. No, no.
Were.
Was is not correct.
Ma'am, were.
Very
Were.
good.
Were no immediate
Yeah,
report of damage.
it is written reports. That means it is plural. It is not report, it is reports. So it should be were. It should not be was, it should be what? It should be were.
Were.
Clear, everybody? P
Yes,
changes to is, was, or were. So here we have plural, so it should be were, not was. Now we'll do the fourth one. This one, the Mahabharata, one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India, the other Ramayana, the Mahabharata, an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war and the fate of the Kaurava and the Pandava. It also philosophical and devotional material. Traditionally, the authorship of Mahabharata to Vyasa. They dash many attempts to its historical and composition layers. Come on, let's do the fourth one. Be very careful in this, beta. This is very tricky one. Fourth one is very tricky.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Let me see how many beta. Okay, this time much better. Let me start in 1 second. Start speaking, beta. You start the answers now. You give this time. Start.
The Mahabharata was were one of the two major Sanskrit.
Is one of the.
This is wrong. This is wrong. The first child who spoke, it is wrong. Can anybody correct her?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, beta.
The Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India.
Excellent. Why did you say is? Why not was?
Because it's still the one of the major epics of India.
Excellent. That is why I told you in the beginning only that this is very tricky. 99% students get this wrong because we always take it and change it to past tense. We are not going to change this to past tense. Too good. Very good. Tell me the next one.
Ma'am, the other is the Ramayana.
Why do you
The-
say this?
The
Why are you
other.
saying this?
Ma'am, because Ramayana is also still like
Beta, did you understand what this child is trying to say? Others, did you understand? Beta, you explain once again your logic of not changing the tense. Na? Speak once again.
ma'am because yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because Ramayana and Mahabharata are still the two major books of India.
Do you agree, children? Why she did not change the tense? Did you understand now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
please do not change the tenses here. Ramayana and Mahabharata was and it is still. So we will not make it was. It's a universal truth category, so we will not change the tenses. Yes, continue with the next sentence.
The Mahabharata is an epic narrative of
It's an
the
epic narrative.
Kurukshetra.
Is an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra.
Yes, the next sentence. Come on, give me the next
The
sentence.
Mahabharata is an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war at the fate of Kaurava and Pandava's princes. It also contains
Contains.
Yes, ma'am. It also
Contains.
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 traditionally the authorship of the Mahabharata
Is
attributes
attributed.
Yeah.
Continue, God.
Okay.
there are many attempts
There are many attempts to unravel
unravel its
It's
historical and compositional layer.
compositional layer.
Very good. Very good. So what did you understand by this passage, children? What did you understand basically? That we should not change the
Ma'am,
tense.
even is
Hmm.
ma'am, even is attributed.
Yes, beta, attributed. Present tense. We are talking about it will always be the same. Whoever has written the book, the author will never change, na?
Yes, ma'am.
We attribute means we contribute or we say that so and so has written this book, and that author is never going to change, na? The author will remain
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same only. Vyasa is written, so we'll continue with the same thing only. Excellent, beta. I was thinking you'll do a mistake in this, but very good, you did not do a mistake. Be very careful that should we change the tense or should we not change the tense. Now do the fifth one. Be very careful. Thomas Tom Sawyer, this one. Okay, do the fifth one and raise your hands.
Mom, appear की third form, past form appear की appeared.
Yes, beta. But you have to be very careful whether the tense will change or not change. That is more important over here. Past tense, so you'll be able to do, but whether we have to change or not, be careful.
Ma'am, that
Ma'am, then.
Yes, beta. Very quickly, let me see.
Ma'am.
Yes. Can we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thomas Tom Sawyer dash the title character of the Mark Twain novel.
Is.
Ma'am, is the
Ma'am,
title.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
Is
The
is the.
Adventures of Tom
Is.
Sawyer. He dash in 3 other novels by Mark Twain.
Appeared.
appears
Appeared.
Appeared.
Appears or appeared?
Ma'am, appears.
ma'am, appear.
Appears.
appears
Yes, yes, appears. Now also if you read his novel, this character will certainly appear. So we cannot say appeared. It is not कि पहले अगर आप book पढ़ते then this character would come and now he will not come. Tom
Yes,
Sawyer
ma'am.
dash a boy of about 12 years of
Was.
age.
Is.
Was.
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 Ma'am,
Was.
is.
is
Supposing you read a book today and the main character of that book is 12 years old. And then you read the same book after 10 years. So will the character's age increase?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
No, na. The same movies we watched 10 years back. Supposing there is a child who's 10 years old and the same movie you see after 10 years, तो क्या बच्चा बड़ा होके 22 years का हो जाता है?
No.
नहीं होता ना? That is it. So please don't change the tense. Is a boy who dash in the fictional town.
Resides.
Recite.
Who resides.
Recites.
What is written in the book, the characters of the book, the age of the book, the location of the places in the books never change. So do not change the tenses when it comes to these kind of books wala things. So one more lesson we have learned. Now this last sixth passage that we have, please do this one. Flood waters wala, please do it. Do this and raise your hands, Peter. Okay, can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start giving the answers one by one. Any one of you, please start, and then the other person can also join.
Ma'am,
Flood
can
what?
I
Okay.
Flood waters engulfed.
Engulfed.
engulfed?
Engulfed.
Ma'am, ED is also there.
Continue, children. Engulfed. What next? Continue.
Vast
The
areas
delta-
of the region of
delta toll.
Maharashtra.
Continue, Blida. Why do you all stop after one sentence? Continue.
Region of
That-
Mahanadi river system in Odisha. The death tolls due to the flood got up to 34.
What up to
Yes.
34?
The SRC added that the most of the casualties were due to the ground and wall collapse.
Speak somebody else
नहीं,
also.
40 नहीं
Only one
लगी।
child. Hmm?
40 नहीं लगी है।
What are you saying? You're not clear. Speak, beta. Somebody else also. Speak the entire paragraph. I want all the sentences answers again.
Ma'am, I'm speaking. Manas. Flood waters engulfed vast areas of the delta region of Mahanadi river system in Odisha. The death toll due to floods gone up to 34. The SRC said added the most casualties were due to drawn and wall collapse.
Ma'am, there was the mistake in B1. It should be God, and he has said
Yes,
God.
ma'am, it should be got.
Who would like to try? The entire paragraph has to be spoken. Who would like to try? All answers, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
flood waters engulfed vast areas of the delta region of Mahanadi river system in Odisha. The death toll due to floods got up to 34, and SRC said added that the most of the casualties were due to drown and wall collapse.
Did she commit any mistake, beta?
No, ma'am.
So you can take the challenge. Last time I'm asking anybody else who would like to try the entire thing, all the answers together. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Ma'am,
Start,
can I
beta.
try?
Flood waters engulfed vast areas of the delta regions of Mahanadi river system in Odisha. The death toll due to floods got up to 34. The SRC said added that the most of the casualties were due to the drone and wall collapse.
Okay, did she do any mistake, beta? Was there any mistake committed?
No, ma'am.
No, very good. There was one more child who wanted to try. Come on, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Start,
Ma'am,
beta. Start.
flood waters infuse, infuses vast area of delta region of Mahanadi river system in Odisha. That death toll due to floods goes up to 34. The SRC said added that most of the casualties were due to the drones and wall collapse.
Ma'am, in B there was a mistake.
Ma'am,
It
first
it
she
should be
took it
got.
to present tense and after that she took it
Yeah,
to
yeah, a
past
little
tense
bit.
and then
Yeah, she
present.
Yes,
got a
ma'am.
bit confused. Yes, she got a bit confused. Never mind. She would try it next time. Let's do this one now. You have to find the incorrect word and the correct word. Let's see who does it first. Raise your hands after you finish. Hurry up. Those who finish, raise your hands. Very good. Those students have already raised hand. Let's start discussing the answers after 30 seconds. Speak better. Give the answer. Tell me which is the incorrect
Ma'am,
word in the first sentence.
ma'am, the first one, the incorrect is Elise was feeling. Elise was, and it's written R.
Alice. Okay, was. Very good. And it is written were. Are
Yes,
feeling
ma'am.
bored. Yes, was feeling bored. Very good. Second sentence, what is wrong, children?
Ma'am, her elder sister instead of older sister.
Yes, ma'am.
No, this is not the mistake.
Ma'am, reading instead of read.
Very good. Excellent. Who was read a book is wrong. It should be who was reading a book. Too good. Come to the C1 now.
Ma'am, she then noticed.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
She then noticed, not notice. It should be noticed. Very good. What about the D1?
Ma'am, a white rabbit wore. No.
Wearing. Ma'am,
Yes,
wearing.
Wearing. Wearing a waistcoat. Excellent. Waistcoat. Wearing a waistcoat. What about E?
And pocket first.
And pocket. Ma'am, talking to itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That
Talking
boy,
to itself.
yes, that boy gave the answer first, but very slowly, but well done. Talking to itself. Next, F1.
Run. She followed it down.
Followed it down
Yes,
to a
she followed it down. And the last one,
To ma'am with many.
fell.
very good. But suddenly fell a long way to a very good. Fall becomes fell. So in the first sentence, the incorrect word was are. What should be there?
Ma'am,
Was.
was.
Yes. Next, beta, read. Read is the wrong word. In place of read, it should be
Reading.
Reading.
reading. And notice is the wrong word. In the next
Noticed.
one, notice. Wear a waistcoat, it should be
Wearing.
Wearing.
Hearing.
wearing. And the E1 talk was
Talking.
wrong, it should be
Talking.
talk.
Talking.
Yes. She follow. Follow is wrong, it should be
Followed.
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 fall is wrong.